We invite you to spend 30 seconds in nature with us. The 9,263 acres of unsaved natural open space that curl around Diamond Bar are part of a wildlife corridor. This corridor, when completed, will stretch from San Gabriel River in Los Angeles to Temecula in San Diego. This corridor would serve as a natural lifeline for wildlife and help keep them out of our backyard. You can see how vitally important our missing middle is to the wildlife corridor. Humans need these corridors also. Wildlife corridors also serve as a place of recreation, retreat, and rejuvenation for residents of the region. Please help us. When we preserve this land for its natural inhabitants, we also preserve our own quality of life, because natural open spaces once destroyed can never be replaced.